Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a Tooling Stylus tipped ballpoint pen from Axminster. It's going to be a quick video. Let's do it. So this is the kit from Axminster. It's 104356 if you want the kit, and the bushing set that you need to do it is 104367. I'm going to make it out of this black and red blank, and let's see how it comes out, shall we? So in the kit we've got a very small cartridge. Don't think that's going to last very long. This is the tooling section. It's got a little tiny screwdriver. I think it's a Phillips screwdriver one side and a flathead the other side, which will be handy for fixing your spectacles. Then we have this sleeve, and I think that's just to screw onto this section. You'll see as I start putting it together. Then there's the twist mechanism and the tip with the clip and the stylus tip on the end there. So two tubes, one bigger than the other. So first things first, let's mark up the blank. So that's that. I think this is looking stunning, as always. Wow, I do like that. I do like that. So let's carefully put this together. So need to remove the bushes. This one's a little bit tight. And so is that one. That's the first one, and I need to get that one. That's it. Nice. So the first thing is to push this on. Now, it doesn't say about taking this off. Now, I will tell you what I've done. This had a little cover over it. I didn't really like it. I don't think it suited the pen, so I took it off. Anyway, I'm a bit concerned about that. I think I need to push that in at the same time. Like so. Let's push them in. Let's do it all together nice and slowly. Like so. Like that. Marvellous. Okay. Next bit is to push that bit and that bit together. Just a tiny bit concerned about this plastic. It doesn't say about anything about protecting it. No, it goes in alright, like that. So that goes in there like that. So how? Aha! Put that in there. I could have made this a little bit easier. There we go. And that screws on there. There we go. Another very nice pen.